This is the ingredient: cutted chicken, we cut into cube, evaporated milk, 2 chili padi, unsalted butter, 2 spring curry leaf, 1 egg, 2 chopped clove garlic, and flour to marinate the chicken. Firstly, we crack the egg in the chicken. Add flour into the mixture. Mix gently until the flour coated the chicken well. Marinate the chicken for 10 minutes. In a deep pan, on high heat, heat up enough oil for frying chicken. Fry chicken for 3 until 4 minutes and golden brown on all sides. Okay, we move to next step. Fry butter, garlic, chili padi, and curry leaf. First, add butter into the pan. Wait until it melts. Add 2 clove garlic, stir it, add 2 chili padi, mix well too, add curry leaf, and important, we add half the evaporated milk to the pan. Season it with salt and stir this until the sauce becomes thick. When the sauce becomes thickened, add the chicken that we have fried in. Mix well. Buttermilk chicken is done. Hello and Assalamualaikum. I want to explain about the challenge that I had to face to make the cooking video. Firstly, I want to thank you to my mother and my friends because they helped me to complete my video. First challenge that I had to face to make this video is I do not really good and fluent in English. Thus, I need to make the video repeatedly to overcome this. Before I making the video, I read the recipe repeatedly. I hope you all will understand what I'm talking in the cooking video. Second, as was my first recording the cooking video, and I do not really had good equipment for recording. I use my mobile phone to record the video. For the solution, I asked my friends to take my video, and luckily it is free. The challenge that I had to face to make this video up, I am not really good in editing. I had to learn the editing video from YouTube for make my video interesting. I also learned to be patient in the editing because it took a long time in editing, as I am not really good in it. That's all from me. Thank you.